Hello Africa, my name is Idi from Hangzhou Best Suppliers Group. My mission here is simple, is to make your sourcing in China simple, profitable, and stress-free. My mission is to use bestsuppliers.com as your sourcing platform. I know your challenge. The challenge number one is you coming in China is very expensive. Coming in China is very expensive, and also it's very stressful. When you are in China, you don't meet with the real factories. You don't meet with the real factories because they are very far. You cannot see them, but we are your solution. So we are making sure you are getting the right products at the right price with guaranteed quality for your future success. This factory, it's a factory for outdoor lights. Outdoor lights. As you know, outdoor lights are high demand products in Africa. High demand product in Africa. We have different categories of gardening lights, outdoor lights in general. So warm welcome to our company. So let's have a tour for this factory. I hope you're gonna enjoy our video. So now maybe let me take just a sample to test, to make sure that quality is reliable to our African market. For example, let me take this one, and yeah, this, So you see this one is gardening light, and our purpose at bestsuppliers.com is to make sure the quality is outstanding, So this is the solar. As you know, in Africa, we have power shortage, electricity, it's a shortage. That is why now solar is high demand in our continent, Africa. So let me try to test this one, for example, yeah, this, you see, this now is have light here, and then you put here, yeah, you see this, quality, So now this is the reason why bestsuppliers.com we are here to make sure that you are getting a high quality lights with the best price. In any business, when you purchase product at high quality with the best price, you're gonna win in the market. You're gonna make your client coming back to your business. That is the key competitive advantage in any business, So welcome to bestsuppliers.com. So today we have visited our beautiful lady, Jenny. She is in charge of our factory. So I want to ask her some questions about our product that we have here in our factory. So Miss Jenny, what kind of products do you have in this factory?
我们有很多种园林地插灯，然后还有比如说家庭别墅的公园的地插灯。我可以给大家介绍一下这一款是叫火焰灯，因为它点燃起来很像火焰。我可以给大家看一下，它是有这种火焰的花纹，它点亮起来在晚上的时候是非常的漂亮的。可以给大家看一下，它是这样子，可以插在地上，然后给大家看一下点亮的效果。
Okay. Ah, wow, it's nice. Okay. Ah, okay. Wow, it looks beautiful. Wow, it looks beautiful. That's number one. Number two.
它是可以插在泥土里面。公园的泥土里面，它可以插下去，所以说它这个灯圈还可以翻起来，是可以这样子翻的，对吧？
可以。This is the solar.
Yes, wow. Solar light.
Yeah, solar lights. Wow, that's nice. That's solar light. Okay, my second question, because Africa, most of the times, of course, we need this kind of solar lights because of electricity. It's quite challenged in Africa, so we need solar, and do you have any requirements maybe for MOQ? Do you have a requirement for this?
我们的最小起订量的话是在5000到1万之间，1万以上这样子都可以。
OK。
然后如果说这些产品订的越多的话，是越实惠的。如果大家有需要，可以联系我们。
OK. So I think how is the quality? How is the quality of this product? Do you believe in this product quality?
我觉得我们这些产品的质量应该是可以保持在2-3年左右这样子。对，因为它平常如果说这个电池的容量可以在工作时间是在8小时左右。8小时左右的话，我们每天晚上，因为大家太阳能接收完之后，晚上它就会点亮起来，也可以用到2-3年这个时间。
Okay. Most of African customers, they are worried about price because they say, okay, maybe it's expensive, so they are worried about price. Can you tell them about price of this product? Is it equivalent?
其实这一款的话，价格是会比较贵一点，因为它看起来它这个质量或者是外观上面都是非常的美观的，然后也很精致。所以说这款的话会比这一款稍微贵一点，但是总体的话，像我们公司的产品来说，价格不会在大家接受不了的价格，都是非常优惠，也是非常实惠的啊。如果大家有需要，可以联系我们。
So it means that quality is high, but price not expensive.
Yes.
Okay. So thank you so much, Mr. Chan. Thank you so much.
Okay.
It was a pleasure, nice meeting you. So now, those are our people who are spending hours and hours making sure that you are getting a high quality lights. As you see them, they are very, very busy. They are very busy working 24 hours and making sure that the lights you are getting are at high quality. So we want to show you that those people, they don't sleep. They don't sleep because they want to make sure everything is right for you. So our job is to make sure that you are getting a high quality lights at the best price. That is our mission at the Hangzhou Best Suppliers Group. So stop guessing work. We are Rio. Stop guessing work and start partnership with us, by visiting www.bestsuppliers.com today. And when you are visiting our website, when you are inquiring us, remember to use Africa, our promo code, Africa50. Why? Because we are at the end of the year. We have many inquiries. So when you use our promo code, Africa50, it's gonna be easy. My team gonna give you a priority replying your inquiry on time, because we are at the end of the year, Christmas year, even next year it's gonna be a Chinese New Year. So we are very busy, but we are ready to listen to you. Welcome to partner with us. We are here for you anytime, anywhere. 谢谢。